Small and unique homes are hard to come by these days, especially homes with quirky features like the one I'm about to show you that also have the possibility for expansion, which is why I'm really excited about showing you 179 Hickory Pond in the Hickory Pond neighborhood in southern Chapel Hill. Let me ask you this, with a small home, we're going to find a two-story great room, as it were, which is done to accommodate this huge bank of windows, which when combined with the concrete floors and the stucco walls, gives this home a passive solar feature. The home is configured currently with a bedroom loft. However, we do have a 2-bedroom septic system, which means you may have the possibility of expanding it pending county regulations. Listen folks, whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team is ready to help you. Let me know when you'd like to see 179 Hickory Pond in Chapel Hill.